Hello everyone. So today let's begin with how to make calculator in Java. The code in front of you is there if anyone is there only for code. So let's begin with one by one. First of all, let's input or give input to the user, that whether it is addition, subtraction. For that we write system.out.println for better understanding. You can skip this according to your convenience. Next, let's give to take inputs from the user. We have to use a parameter int is integer, and then let's here take two numbers, that let's say a and b. And as you can see in calculator, there's multiplication, addition, subtraction. For that, simply let's write one by one. If for addition, then begin with print and then a plus b. If for difference means subtraction, then a minus b. Here you can see cases 1, 2, 3. As you can give the input 1, 2, 3, then automatically all these cases will be run one by one. But we have to keep in mind for the division, as if you divide any number by 0, then it is 0, or we can say not divisible, invalid. So for that we have to write here separate case. If you have to write in a case, then you have to use if and else statement. As you can see here, else, invalid, and again the condition begins if it is equal to 0. And in this way the code is written. Now let's run this. You can see on the rightmost top this arrow, it is called run. As you will click on this, then it will run the program. Now as the instruction says, addition, subtraction, multiplication, we have to follow in this way. These two numbers are the inputs which we will give, and this third one is there to perform the operation which we want. Now let's try it out. Let's say I will take 35, 34 and 65. If we say multiplication, then we'll give parameter here 3. Now let's enter 2. Now you can see the answer given. You can verify this on a normal calculator. Now your process exists 0. It is there as our code is successfully run. Thank you.